Have you ever felt stuck in negative thoughts, unable to move forward no matter how hard you try? Your mind could be playing tricks on you, trapping you in patterns that make you doubt yourself, overthink, or feel powerless. These mind traps are sneaky, but the good news is you can break free from them. In this video, we'll explore 10 common mind traps that hold you back and, more importantly, how to escape them. The all or nothing thinking trap. All or nothing thinking makes you see things in extreme black and white terms. You believe that if something isn't perfect, it's a total failure. This rigid way of thinking leaves no room for progress or learning. If you're trying to lose weight and eat one unhealthy meal, you might think, I've ruined my entire diet, and give up entirely instead of continuing with your progress. How to break free? Recognize when you're using extreme words like always or never. Remind yourself that progress is made in small steps, not perfection. Focus on what you can do next rather than what went wrong. Overgeneralization trap. This happens when you take one negative event and assume it applies to every situation in life. You fail at one job interview and conclude, I'll never get hired anywhere. If someone rejects your romantic interest, you may think, no one will ever love me, even though it was just one person's opinion. How to break free? Challenge your thoughts by asking, is this really true in every case? Look for evidence that contradicts the negative belief. Understand that failure in one area doesn't define your entire life. Catastrophizing trap. Your mind convinces you that the worst-case scenario is inevitable, even if the evidence doesn't support it. This causes unnecessary anxiety and fear. If you make a small mistake at work, you might think, I'm going to get fired, lose my income, and end up homeless. In reality, it's just a minor mistake. How to break free? Ask yourself, what is the most likely outcome? Practice grounding techniques to bring yourself back to reality. Remind yourself that you have handled difficulties before and will do so again. The mind reading trap. You assume you know what others are thinking, especially if it's negative. If someone doesn't text back immediately, you might believe they're angry with you, even if they're just busy. If a colleague doesn't smile at you, you might assume they don't like you, even though they may just be having a bad day. How to break free? Remind yourself that you can't read minds. Instead of assuming, ask for clarification when needed. Focus on facts rather than interpretations. The should and must trap. You set unrealistic expectations for yourself and others, thinking things should or must be a certain way. This leads to frustration and disappointment. You might think, I should always be productive, and feel guilty when you rest, even though rest is necessary for productivity. How to break free? Replace should and must with I'd prefer or it would be nice if. Accept that life is unpredictable and flexibility is key. Show yourself and others more compassion. Personalization trap. You believe that everything bad that happens is somehow your fault, even when it's beyond your control. If your friend is in a bad mood, you assume it's because of something you did, even if they're dealing with their own problems. How to break free? Recognize that people's emotions and actions aren't always about you. Take responsibility only for what you can control. Separate facts from assumptions. The comparison trap. You constantly compare yourself to others, making yourself feel inadequate. Social media makes this even worse. You see someone's vacation pictures and feel like your life is boring, forgetting that they only post highlights, not struggles. How to break free? Limit your social media exposure if it triggers negative comparisons. Focus on your progress rather than other people's journeys. Remind yourself that no one has a perfect life. Emotional reasoning trap. You believe that just because you feel something, it must be true. If you feel worthless, you assume you are worthless. If you wake up feeling sad, you might conclude, my life is terrible, instead of realizing emotions fluctuate. How to break free? Challenge your feelings with logic, Just because I feel this way doesn't make it true. Keep a journal to track your emotions and identify patterns. Practice self-compassion instead of self-criticism. Labeling trap. Instead of recognizing a mistake, you label yourself negatively. You fail a test and think, I'm stupid, rather than, I need to study differently. If you forget something important, you might say, I'm so careless, rather than realizing that mistakes are human. How to break free. Use positive or neutral language instead of harsh labels. Remind yourself that one mistake doesn't define your character. Focus on learning and improvement. The control trap. You believe you must control everything, leading to frustration when things don't go your way. You try to plan every detail of a trip, but when something unexpected happens, you panic instead of adapting. How to break free. Accept that some things are out of your control. Focus on controlling your reactions rather than external events. Practice mindfulness and let go of the need for perfection.